Now, I am going to discuss one problem in relation to calculation of accessible value. In your notes, question number 7. Question number 7, but I will dictate once. X company limited imported goods from USA. From the following information, if you want, you can write down. From the following information, determine custom duty payable by the company. Cost of the goods, $30,000. Packing charges, $2,000. Commission paid in India to the broker of exporter, 10,000. Freight from USA to India port, $2,000. Try to understand what do you mean by freight. Freight means transportation cost. Freight means transportation cost. Freight from Indian port to the factory premises, 10,000. Exchange rate, $1 equal to 60 rupees. Rate of basic custom duty 10%. IGST 18%. Calculate accessible value and duty paid. Now, statement showing custom duty paid. Statement showing accessible value first. Accessible value. Thereafter, we are supposed to calculate what is the duty payable. What is the duty paid? Now, first, cost of goods, $30,000. $30,000. That should be get converted 30,000 into what is the rate of dollar here? 60 exchange rate in the last which is given 60 rupees into 60. That should be 18 lakhs. That should be 18 lakhs. That should be get converted to rupees. 1 rupee is equal to how much? 60 rupees is given in the last. And one by one, I will read out. Packing charges, $2,000. Whether you are supposed to take or not, according to the theory, you are supposed to take. Without packing, we can't possible to supply the goods. Yes or no? So you are supposed to take packing charges. 2,000 into exchange rate 60 rupees. That should be 1,20,000. 1,20,000. Thereafter, commission paid in India to the broker of exporter. Yes, we are supposed to take. It's not a buying commission. Commission should be here. Rupees 10,000 is given. That should be taken directly. No need to convert. Is not in dollars. Next one, freight from USA to Indian port, $2,000. $2,000. Try to understand. Freight means transportation cost. Is not air transport. Is a sea transport. The transportation charge should be taken afterwards as a last part of the problem. I will consider that after some time. Insurance cost. Yes, I told you. If insurance is here in this particular problem, insurance is given. If it is not given, 1.2, 1.125%. Here is given. There's a reason you are supposed to take $5,000. $5,000, not now. At end. Thereafter, freight from Indian port to the factory. Which is happened in India. Yes or no? Which is happened in India. If it is transportation happened in India, that should not be taken. That should not be taken. Whatever the transportation from factory to port to the factory, that should not be taken, because which is happened in India, that should not be taken into consideration. Everything is over. Then you are supposed to do the total of these two. That should be 1,30,000. Total should be 19,30,000. For that, we are supposed to add the second part of the theory, transportation cost. Transportation cost. Here in this particular problem, freight charges from USA to India port. USA to ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲೇಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ 20% ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ FOB. ಕೊಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಆದರೆ ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ 20%. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. That's the reason that should be taken into consideration. Here is should be $2,000. That means 2,000 into 60 should be 1,80,000. Next one you are supposed to take here is insurance. In this particular problem is given $5,000. So 5,000 into 60 should be 3 lakh. Totally 4,80,000. 4,80,000. The assessable value should be 23,50,000. 23,50,000. Actually, I made a mistake here. 2,000 into 60 is 1,20,000, is not 1,80,000. So total should be 4,20,000. So here assessable value is 23 lakh. Assessable value is 23,50,000. Assessable value is 23,50,000. At the time of calculation of transportation cost, I made a mistake. 2,000 into 60 should be 1,20,000. So total should be 4,20,000. 23,50,000. 23,50,000. Thereafter, you are supposed to calculate duty payable. Duty payable. Now, statement showing duty payable. Statement showing duty payable. Statement showing what? Duty payable. Just now we found assessable value. Assessable value 23,50,000. 23,50,000. For that, add in this particular problem BCD, basic custom duty is given. BCD 10% on this 23,50,000 into 10% should be 2,35,000. One more thing, if there is a BCD, you are supposed to give social welfare surcharge 10%. Social welfare surcharge 10% on whatever the BCD we got. 10% should be 23,500. Nothing else. Do the total, put it out of column. 2,58,000. 1 minute. The total should be 2,58,500. Do the total of this. Do the total of this should be 4,20,000. 26 lakh 8,500. 26 lakh 8,500. Now we are supposed to calculate what should be the IGST and IGST. Here IGST is 18% on this 26,08500 into 18% should be 4,69,530. Put it outer column. Do the total of this. This total should be 30 lakh 78,030. This column should be 7 lakh 28,030. This is a way we are supposed to calculate what is the duty paid. What is the duty paid? Okay, thank you.